If you want to set up Gmail SMTP server the right way, this video will walk you through every step in a simple and safe way. By the end, you'll know how to enable the correct Google security setting, generate the app password, enter the SMTP details, and test everything so your email app can send messages through Gmail without issues. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started with the first and most important step, which is turning on two-step verification for your Google account. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This is the security page for your Google account, and it's where you'll manage sign-in protection. Under the section called How You Sign In to Google, click on two-step verification. If you have not already enabled it, follow the setup process and complete it fully. This step matters because Gmail SMTP will not work properly with your normal password in many apps. Google requires two-step verification before you can create an app password. Once two-step verification is active, the next step is to generate your app password. Open a new tab and go to myaccount.google.com/app-passwords. If Google asks you to sign in again, go ahead and do that. On the app passwords page, choose Mail as the app and then select your device or app from the drop-down. If your exact app is not listed, just choose Other and type a name that helps you remember what this password is for. Then click Generate. Google will now show you a 16-character password. Copy this password carefully and keep it somewhere secure, because this is the password you will use inside your email app or website SMTP settings. Do not use your normal Gmail password here. Now open the email app or website where you want to configure sending mail. This could be an email client, a contact form plugin, a CRM, or any website that lets you enter outgoing mail settings. Go to the Outgoing Mail or SMTP settings section. This is where you will connect the app to Gmail's mail servers. Here are the Gmail SMTP details you need to enter. For the SMTP server, type smtp.gmail.com. For the port, use 465 if your app is using SSL or 587 if your app is using TLS. For the username, enter your full Gmail address exactly as it appears, including the @gmail.com part. For the password, paste it in the 16-character app password you just generated. Again, this is not your regular Google account password, so make sure you use the app password only. Next, look for an option called SMTP Authentication or something similar. If you see a setting like My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication, turn it on. Some apps will also ask you to use the same username and password as the incoming mail server, so if you see that option, enable it as well. These authentication settings help confirm that Gmail allows your app to send messages securely. After that, save your settings. Depending on the app you're using, the save button may be at the bottom or top of the page. Once everything is saved, send a test email to make sure the connection is working properly. Use a different email address if possible, so you can confirm the message is actually delivered. If the test email goes through, that means your Gmail SMTP server is set up correctly and ready to use. If you run into an error, double-check the most common issues first. Make sure two-step verification is enabled, make sure you copied the app password correctly, and make sure the SMTP server and port are entered exactly right. Also confirm that you chose SSL for port 465 or TLS for port 587, depending on what your app supports. A small typo in the password or server address can stop the connection from working, and that's it. You've now learned how to set up Gmail SMTP server step by step. Generate the app password, enter the correct settings, and test the connection successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.